sky-high ambitions. The Russian Superjet 100, its first passenger plane since the days of the Soviet Union. It's a brave move. These are tough times for the industry, and buyers are hard to find. However, SUKHOI, which makes the plane, says they're selling fast.
This is a breakthrough product that will make Russia able to compete in the international aviation market. We should be proud that Russia made this plane.
But it's Gulf carriers like Qatar Airways that's spending huge amounts. The airlines announced firm orders for 24 new jets in a deal worth billions of dollars. But it's nothing like the hundreds of orders made at previous shows. Even the usually resilient defence sector's scaling down as governments make budget cuts. Thousands of exhibitors here at Le Bourget are facing their worst crisis since 2001. It could cost the airline industry a massive $9 billion this year.
The biggest challenge is realigning their cost structure. Obviously, trying to decide what to do with the aircraft they've already got, trying to decide how to use them efficiently. In some cases, that means actually parking aircraft and not using them at all. It means trying to predict where the remaining demand is going to be.
But one of the biggest players, Turkish Airlines, says it's bucking the trend.
I accept, of course, there is crisis in airline business, but for Turkish Airlines, we're not concerned too much.
All of this will have an impact on passengers. Airlines don't want to fly half empty, so routes will have to be cut and frequency of flights too. That'll mean less choice for us and potentially higher fares.
The Air France disaster has also cast a shadow. French air accident investigators are based at Le Bourget. There are real questions here about the safety of what are supposed to be state-of-the-art airliners. It's 100 years since the first Paris air show, but there's not much to celebrate. There have been many technological advancements since these vintage planes were in service, but there's a real sense that for now at least, the glory days of the air industry are over. Nazanine Moshiri, Al Jazeera, Le Bourget, Paris.